Welcome to a sim code. Hey you. Yeah, you. The one with the brilliant mind. Want to level up your coding skills and unlock new tech secrets? Well, hit that subscribe button and join me on this exciting coding adventure. Let's build, debug, and create some tech magic together. Trust me, you don't want to miss a thing. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, and it's a lightweight data format used for storing and exchanging data. It's human-readable and easy for machines to parse and generate. Importing the JSON module, which helps us convert between Python objects and JSON format. Here we define a Python dictionary. This dictionary holds some information about a person: name, age, city, and student status. We will later convert this dictionary into a JSON string. Key name value, Alice. Key age value, 25. Key city value, London. Key is student value, false. The variable person is a standard Python dictionary. We will now use the JSON.dumps function to convert this dictionary into a JSON string. JSON.dumps takes a Python object and returns its JSON string representation. Printing the JSON string representation of the person dictionary. In the JSON string, you will notice that keys and values are enclosed in double quotes. This is the standard format of JSON, as opposed to Python where single quotes are also acceptable. Now, we will take the JSON string we created and convert it back into a Python dictionary. We will use the JSON.loads function for this. JSON.loads takes a JSON string and converts it back into a Python object, in this case, a dictionary. Printing the Python dictionary representation. After using JSON.loads, the result is a normal Python dictionary with keys and values just like before. This shows that the data was successfully converted back from JSON into Python. Next, we will demonstrate how to write JSON data to a file and read it back. Writing to a JSON file using JSON.dump. The JSON.dump function writes a Python object directly to a file in JSON format. Writing the person dictionary to a file named person.json. Now the dictionary is saved in the file in JSON format. Now we will read the JSON data from the file and convert it back to a Python dictionary. We use JSON.load for reading JSON data from a file. This reads the JSON data from the file and converts it into a Python object. Printing the Python object obtained from the file. This is just like reading any Python dictionary, and we can now work with the data as a normal Python object. Now run our code. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.